So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Hostinger domain to your Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to Shopify. On here you can see home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, online store, ad, as well as settings. You can see a layout similar to this one. You can see also my store right there. So through here you can see the options for that. I suggest you go to settings, and after that you go to your domain. So through here you can click on your domain, and once you're here you can buy a new one, you can connect an existing one. You can also see some domains on here as well. So through here, after that, go to Hostinger, which will be this IT service. So it says host your own website, so it's for website hosting. Bring your idea online with a website. So you can see how much you can get it for. You can claim this deal. You can see some other options as well. On here, once you're logged into your Hostinger account, go to DNS zone settings. Now they should appear on one of your main parts of your profile. Once you go to your DNS zone settings, you will just need to add the option to import, or rather export, your pre-existing domain. After that, you can see the option change to a new one, or you can connect an existing domain. After that, just use the option to paste over your Hostinger domain to this existing domain page in Shopify. After that, click on next and just make sure that you've exported your Hostinger domain through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.